Now, in this video, try to understand how to convert the sentences into present perfect. Now, listen me one sentence about the present perfect. I have written a letter. I, subject, have या has का इस्तेमाल आएगा. Verb की third form, then object. I have written a letter. This is present perfect sentence. Right? डिफरेंट आपको सेंटेंसेस बोल रहा हूँ जिसको आपने चेंज करूँगा मैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में, जो आपको समझना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मैं आसान जुमला बोल रहा हूँ. आई हैड रिटन अ लेटर. आई हैड रिटन लेटर फिर प्रेजेंट पास्ट परफेक्ट है. आई हैव रिटन अ लेटर. I caught fishes. I have caught fishes. Fatma is singing a song. Fatma is singing a song. Fatma has sung a song. Umar was playing cricket. Past continuous. इसको present perfect में ले जाना. Umar has played cricket. The boys were playing football. Past continuous. The boys have played football. The boys have played cricket. I am working hard. I have worked hard. Verb की third form have के साथ. Akram is speaking English. Akram has spoken English. Tanveer was cooking food. Tanveer was cooking food. Tanveer has cooked food. Ahmad had sung a song. Ahmad गाना गा चुका था. आपने बनाना है क्या? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, यानी कि अहमद गाना गा चुका है. Ahmad has sung a song. I am waiting for you. I have waited for you. I am waiting for you. Present perfect. I have waited for you. The peon had rung the bell. The peon had rang the bell. The peon has rung the bell. The peon is ringing the bell. The peon has rang the bell. The peon was ringing the bell. The peon has rang the bell. आपको किसी भी सेंटेंस टेंस में जुमला था उसको आपने प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में लाकर मैंने तब्दील करने का तरीका आपको बताया. We were waiting for you. हम लोग आपका इंतजार कर रहे. We have waited for you. My mother was buying fruits. My mother was buying fruits. My mother has bought fruit. She spoke English. Simple past tense. She spoke English. She has spoken English. She has spoken English. It is present perfect. It is raining. It has rained. Ahmad was eating mango. Ahmad was eating mango. Ahmad has eaten mango. यानी कि has और have वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म, ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट की शनाख्त। और इसी तरह आप तब्दील करेंगे। आई थिंक आपने मेरा सबक समझा होगा। नेक्स्ट में प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में किस तरह तब्दील करेंगे, इसके बाद वाला वीडियो आप देखेंगे तो यह बात भी क्लियर हो जाएगी। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।